Yo, hello guys, this is a giveaway video and today I am going to show you my whole base. Let's see the first floor, and this is the first floor. It is quite a lot noob's base. This is a old base by the way of mine. Look, there are not something good, but I would like to show you. And there goes the second floor. Two tentacles, skull, and again skull with gold mutation, both of them. This one Bobito Agragito 656.2k, and then there's skull Brain Rot God and Mummy Ambalabu. And again I will be giving you away both and Lataco combinaciones. Now let me explain the rules. The rules are, I will be giving away this whole base. Look like I will be the one with the third most views will get the lower floor. The second place with more views than third place will get the first floor, or we can say second floor, and the one with the most view of remixing this video will get this third floor. I will be looking away at the results after 1 week. You gotta be quick to win this La Taco combination. See you guys, bye bye.